Change your life with these stock market tips. Investing your money in stocks is a proven means of earning money over the long term. Investing in stocks is not easy, however, and there are a number of common mistakes to avoid. This video will provide you with some excellent advice for improving your investment prospects. Keep in mind that investing should not be treated lightly. Banks treat stock market investing seriously, and so should you. Even though one may first think of the stock market as gambling, it is more serious than that. Take the time to understand thoroughly everything about the companies that you are investing. When considering company stocks to invest in, consider any past negative surprises. Similar to the idea that one pest is typically indicative of more pests in your home, one blemish on the company record typically indicates more in the future. Choose businesses with the best reputations to avoid losing money on your stocks. Consider investing in index mutual funds. These funds buy and hold the stocks of the companies that comprise one of the major stock indices. These funds allow you the chance to capitalize on the returns of the overall stock market, without excessive fees or sector risk. These funds also require very little maintenance or attention. Don't try to make money too fast, and your patience will pay off. Historical data shows that results come from investing the same amount of money repeatedly over long time frames. Figure out how much of your monthly income you are comfortable investing. Make sure you continue to invest on a regular basis. Don't let your emotions play a part in your investments. Remember that this is a business and you're in this to make money. You can't let yourself make bad decisions that are solely based on your emotions. Learn to separate your emotions from your decision making so that you can have a clear mind. Look out for a bull market. Bull and bear markets tend to be more cyclical, and eventually the bear market will turn into a bull market. Wise investors usually watch the market very carefully so that any initial signs of the market changing can be detected. This can help them act faster. Keep your objective and time horizon in mind when choosing your stocks. If you have many years left and are saving for a retirement decade away, invest aggressively. Look at small cap growth stocks or related mutual funds. The percentage of your portfolio in the stock market should be as high as 80%, if this is your personal situation. Diversify your holdings. By investing your money in various sectors and investment vehicles, you limit the risk of losing money. It is wise to invest in a combination of stocks, bonds, and cash vehicles, with the allocations varying depending on your age and your comfort level with regard to risk. As mentioned at the beginning of this piece, stock market investing can mean both great reward and significant intimidation. Keep this video in mind, as you start or continue to invest. Applying what you have learned will help you to make more money in the stock market. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest, and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega whining trader, Barthélemy MC.